Hey sailors, welcome back to Cruising as Crew. It is now 10:15 and in a minute we are going to have a crew drill. And as you can probably tell, I am a bit tired. Last night was amazing. So if you didn't see, the crew bar opened for the first time last night since I have been on board, and it was amazing. Like, just to be able to socialise and have a dance.
Initial response, initial response, initial response. Assessment team, proceed to deck 3, zone 5.
There's an initial response team who, if there was like a report of some kind of emergency, the initial response team go at that announcement to check it out and basically see if crew need to be called. So hopefully, like in the event of a real emergency, it wouldn't go further than that announcement. But obviously we have to rehearse it going further than that announcement, so we know what to do if it does.
The following areas are now restricted. Anything forward of the crew staircase on decks 2, 3, and 4. So once again, attention all crew, the staging area is
Good morning, everybody. You look lovely.
You don't.
I know. I know. Drill is finished. Oh. So I've just finished drill. I've come back, showered, put some makeup on, getting changed. And I am going to go out in Le Havre, where we are today. So, firstly, you might be thinking, why have you got so much time off? Well, we actually haven't got any sailors on board. There is a charter on who have hired the ship for about 3 weeks. And they're doing some filming, and that is all I'm allowed to say. And to be quite frank, all I know. So the plan is to be in Le Havre for a week, Belgium for a week, and then Amsterdam for a week, which will be really nice because we have shore leave now. So I am going to make the most of it. It's now 11:30 because we've just finished drill. And yeah, I'm going to go out and explore Le Havre. I was looking at going to Paris because it's only 2 hours on the train. However, although we're staying here for a while, we actually have to be back by 7, and it's just not enough time. Like, by the time I got to Paris, I'd have what, like 3 hours? So, and you know, Paris is the type of city that you just want to like enjoy and do at your leisure. I don't want to be rushing around Paris, so I'm going to leave Paris and just go and explore Le Havre, which is literally right outside. No shuttle bus needed, I can just walk into town. So that's what we're gonna do today. Bonjour, we are in France. Oh, it's so lovely. So I've come out on my own today just because I fancied having some me time, and also I can just like wander around the city at my leisure, which I really enjoy doing. So I'm gonna find myself a croissant and a coffee, maybe have some nice lunch. But it is so lovely. As you can probably hear, it's extremely windy, but the sun is shining and it's not raining, so that is the main thing. So pretty, especially now the sun's shining. I cannot get over how stunning the buildings are. Bonjour. Merci beaucoup.
Merci, au revoir.
Bonjour. Ah. Oh my god. Wow, look at that. Which one do I get, guys? Okay, so I got a pan of chocolate. Look at that. That looks pretty insane. Oh, and it's soft and warm. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Mmm. That is possibly the best thing I've ever had. Wow. Mmm. When in France. So I am having an absolutely lovely day, just wandering around the Havre. It is so pretty and the weather is so lovely. And that is incredible. I'm actually kind of glad I didn't go to Paris in a way, just because it's so nice to wander around here. No real time constraints because it's right near the ship, so I can relax. I'm not like running around trying to see things. I'm just having a lovely leisurely walk around the Havre in France and thoroughly enjoying myself. It's kind of embarrassing though because bonjour, merci beaucoup, pardon, excusez-moi, that's like all the French I know pretty much. So now I've discovered is a museum. What of, I don't know. Okay, so I've been told this pastry place is incredible. So we're gonna go and have a look. Entrée. Bonjour. Wow. The bread. I wish you could smell. It smells amazing. Wow. So I'm gonna try this. Back to the ship. So I've just got back and I am knackered now. So I'm going to have a little nap, depending on how I feel after. I'm going to go to the gym. I'm going to go to the gym now, because if I don't go now, I won't go. But I don't think I'm going to do anything too strenuous because I'm still sleepy. Let's go!
I know that I should keep it cool, babe. Not lose my swag and play the fool, babe. Just play the game and hold on, maybe. But I'm done with the waiting, done with the waiting. I'm done with playing nice. Now look me in the eyes. Tell me, tell me, tell me what you see inside. Not gonna ask you twice. Not looking for your lies. Tell me, do you wanna go? Do you wanna go?
So I am done with the gym. I'm now going to go and get changed and go to the mess and have some food. To be quite honest though, I spent most of that gym session talking to Kason and on the phone to my mum. So actually I'm not going to get changed. I didn't even break a sweat. So we're going to go straight to the kitchen table because we're dirty bitches. Let's go. You look good in your gym clothes.
So do you.
Okay, let's get a gym selfie. Like basic bitches.
I've got my treadmill.
Go and like it on Instagram. Hello guys. So I got back from the mess, had a shower, got ready, put some makeup on because we're staying in Le Havre overnight. I did not know this. This is new news. Because the idea was that we were going to be in during the day and then we would set sail in the evening. So I didn't think that we would be able to go out in the evenings. But yeah, we're staying overnight tonight. So me and Freddie and I think some of the other guys are going to go out for a little drink just in a bar, just to sit, because quite frankly there's nothing to do because a lot of the ship is off limits because of this filming that's going on. So we're only really allowed in crew areas at the moment, which means that it's the mess or the cabin. So since we have shore leave, why not? We're going to go out in Le Havre, have a few drinks, have a nice evening. So let's go. This blazer is my favourite thing in the whole world. Look at these shoulder pads. I love a good shoulder pad. Here we go. Look at Freddie. How amazing does he look? Okay, let's go. It's so cold. There I am. So we have Owen here who can speak pretty fluent French. I'm going to say something to my subscribers.
Bonjour, Cruising as Crew. Je travaille avec Lucie sur le ship. Ce soir, je vais travailler beaucoup de bien avec mon ami. Je travaille avec Johnny, Philippe, Valet, Lisa, Freddy.
So now we are going to a Café Noir.
Café Noir, très bien, très bien.
Cheers,
Hey up, love. Are you going to the shops and that? If not, I'll see you later.
If not, I will see you later.
Yes, see you later means I will see you later. But we just said it word but it's tough. We're going to the shops. What we are going to do.
In addition to single words, sorry.
Ayo, so the word ayo means hello, how are you doing? But when we like,
But that's a slang, like a local slang.
Hello, how are you doing?
ayo,
You're right. They're like, how are ya? How are ya? Oh, good change.
Yeah.
You know? So completely different. And then the British like,
we heard that was like to bang, was
And the mate.
we're gonna bang.
Cheers, mate.
Just like bang.
Cheers, mate.
Bang.
No, the port. No, we have to go right for the port. Oh, let's go back to the ship.
I will just get somewhere else.
That's all.
Just got back from that lovely evening in Le Havre. So we went to a pub and had a few drinks. I had like a mocktail, which was really nice actually. We've got work tomorrow and I had a late night last night, so I need to get some sleep so that I am with it for work tomorrow. So I'm gonna go to bed. But thank you for watching, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video and I hope you are enjoying this week's everyday posting of videos. And if you are, let me know in the comments and make sure you give this video a like and I will see you tomorrow.